Alright, so let's check out Mr. Blue Ribbon Eel. Okay, so we keep him underneath the clam shells because he likes to be in a crevice or a cave or something like that. So these things are notoriously difficult to get eating. I do, however, have an advantage. I got live food! So, what we did yesterday, we put in about 12 or 18 mollies, and we're going to see now how we did. Okay. Couple dead shrimp, partially eaten molly, and one. Ha! He ate like 10 mollies because there's like 3 swimming around. All right. Yeah, that's what you got to do. Just pound the mollies to them, and that way the. Well, basically they run into his face and then he eats them. Like, these things are not the most brilliant things in the world. So what we'll do is we'll take the stiffs out. Where's my little net? Because we don't need them in there. So take that out. You can eat it. You always make sure that this is way out of the water because the guy can climb. He can climb really good. So we did way better on the mollies than on the shrimp because I think I pulled all the shrimp out. Okay, so let's go get more mollies. Okay, there's some. Let's get a bigger net. So, it's happy days. He's eating. You guys have no idea how happy I am right now. So then the next step is to get him over to eating frozen. So that will be the next project. Okay, so we'll put him away again for the day. He's got lots and lots of opportunities for somebody to bang into his face. And there we go. We got the blue ribbon eel eating live. That's the first step. And let's just rinse that off in there. All right, bye-bye.